What I'm doing here is I got some meat dried for like 5 hours on each side. It's like Argynnis Wonderplanets. And I'll fill this cup with cold pressed olive oil. It's basically a mason jar. So you put all this dry beef there. Then you leave like half an inch of the jar to fill it up. Also, today I was on a live stream, but that channel just got deleted, talking about some politics stuff in Eastern Europe. But anyway, this is totally not related, so should be fine. But I'm just gonna finish this jar up. It's going to be, I guess it's just gonna fill up a whole jar. I didn't have enough meat to like do more of this stuff. Experiment, just like, I think this is like half an inch. I don't know how much half an inch is. Hope to be right. So now I'll add this cold pressed olive oil. I know my kitchen is a mess, but who cares? You know, raw meat eaters life here. See, this stuff dried up pretty well. I mean, it's not jerky, but it's almost there. And now it's enough. It's enough. Well, this part is not all the way dry. It's like some pieces are dry, but some pieces didn't get dry all the way. I've seen this before. Italians do this stuff. It's like now I just fill it up with olive oil. Cold pressed. Good. Half an inch over. And put it in a jar. So that's how you make survival meats. Have a good day, or night, or whatever.